Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private, how you can hide your content and prevent other people to download your videos. This is a big issue recently, and let me launch the TikTok app and let me show you how you can do that. So first thing guys, all you're gonna do, you wanna click on the lower right corner and you wanna click on your profile icon. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then launch the settings and privacy menu. Over here guys, all I want you to do is to click on the second option in the menu, which is privacy. And over here guys, you're able to click on the first option, which is private account. This is very important because this simply will allow you to hide your content, to hide your followers, to hide any interactions. If you live stream to the followers only and not to the public, this simply will create this small society where you're gonna be the only one who is like the main boss, allowing who to see what and who to interact with you. You're not gonna have random people coming and commenting. You're not gonna have anyone downloading your videos and reusing them on the platform. This is how you can make your TikTok account private, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.